Welcome to raigurkul.com. In this video, we'll discuss about a very interesting for Jira add-on, which is used for backup. So here, if you can see, we have Git Protect backup for creating a backup within a Jira instance. Exactly same type of activity will be done by Pro Backup for Jira. Here you can see this Pro Backup for Jira is again used for backup or creating a backup within a Jira cloud instance. Then third applications we have Revise Data Manager for Jira backup and restore. So this is created by Revise team. And fourth one is Rewind backup for Jira Cloud. So these four applications or add-on is used within a Jira Cloud instance to create a backup. We'll see which all functionality will have in these four add-ons and what type of capabilities they are offering, how much secured this add-on is, and which all offerings they are providing within this add-on. And trust me, this is not at all a sponsored content from anyone. This is self-made video from my experience based on my professional experience. So there is a no sponsorship within this video. To explain you in better way, I've created this chart to showcase how and where we can utilize this type of add-on within our professional content. Now, to come up with all four add-ons here, you can see Git Protect, Pro Backup, Revise, and Rewind. So coming down with the name of Git Protect is gitprotect.io, backup for Jira Cloud. Then when it comes to the name of Pro Backup, so Pro Backup for Jira is the name which is available on Atlassian Marketplace. Third is Revise Data Manager for Jira, which is created by Revise. Rewind is again Rewind Backup for Jira is the name. When it comes to the rating point of view, rating, if you can see here, this contains 4 rating, exactly same 4 rating is available for Pro Backup, and all the 4 add-ons contains the 4 rating. When it comes to review or feedback from any user, so Git Protect contained single review, Pro Backup is having 2 reviews or feedback from the end user or the user point of view. Revise is having 8 reviews and Rewind is on higher side. So the existence of Rewinds might be from earlier. That's the reason they have 15 reviews or feedback received from the end user. Automatic backup is available or not. So here all 4 add-ons contains automatic backup. Coming down to the granular restore. So granular restore is not available in Git Protect and Pro Backup, but in Revise, we have granular restore available. So wherever you can see green tick, it means that content is available. And whenever we have cross, it means that functionality is not available in these type of add-on. Next is Jira Site Analytics. Again, Jira Site Analytics is not available in Git Protect, Pro Backup, and Rewind, but it's there in Revise. Jira Site Optimizations is again not available in all 3 add-on, which is Git Protect, Pro Backup, and Rewind, but it's available in Revise. Jira Project Coverage. So in terms of Git Protect, GSW, GSM, JWM, and JPD is there in Git Protect. But in Pro Backup, it is supportable only in JSW. Revise again having all 4, that is JSW, JSM, JWM, and JPD. Rewind contains just JSW, JSM, and JWM. So it's not there in JPD. GSM assets. So GSM assets are not available in REST 3 add-on except Revise. Attachment management is not available in Git Protect and Pro Backup and Rewind, but it's there in Revise. Backup compliance reporting is available in Git Protect and Revise, but it's not there in Pro Backup and Rewind. Detail error logging. So detail error logging is available in Git Protect and Revise, but not there in Pro Backup and Rewind. App audit trails are present in Revise and Git Protect, but not there in Pro Backup and Rewind. Cloud fortified is services whoever is having this type of services, they are most secured as per Atlassian marketplace. So for becoming a cloud fortified, the vendor team or the application creator team has to certify some of the conditions. If they are okay with it, or if they are clear out all those, then only Jira is providing this cloud fortified icon, so which comes to the scalability, their reliability, and trustworthiness of the application. So if these add-ons creators are having this type of functionality, they will get the cloud fortified certifications. So cloud fortified is available in Revise and Rewind, but not there in Git Protect and Pro Backup. SOC 2 type 2 compliant. So SOC type 2 compliant is not there in Git Protect, Pro Backup, but it's there in Revise and Rewind. AWS Data Center support. So AWS Data Center support is available in UM, but it's not in Pro Backup, as well as in Revise, UMD and AU, but in Rewind, we have UMD and AU again. Free tier. So free tier is available in Git Protect for 10 users. It's not there in Pro Backup. And again, Revise also not having free tier, but Rewind is providing till 10 user as a free tier user. Price ranges up to 1,000 user per month is somewhere around $4 to $2.93 in Git Protect, but in Pro Backup, it's not there as a part of marketplace content. So it's not published yet. So that's the reason we cannot comment on Pro Backup. So it's not showing at all. But in terms of Revise, they are offering the services from $2.43 to $3.2. When it comes to the Rewind, they are offering the services $3.01 to $4. So paid via Atlassian, yes, in Git Protect, but it's not there in Pro Backup. Revise is also getting paid from Atlassian, exactly same thing with Rewind. So these are the parameters which I've listed here to compare these 4 add-ons. I'm again calling it out. This is not at all a paid campaign. I've did it based on analysis or based my experience. And if you feel, or it's totally depending on you how you want to proceed it further, which add-on you can prefer out of this, but go ahead with whichever add-on is compliant or having most security or more security in terms of adding the add-on. If you're using this add-on, you have to make sure that you are cloud fortified or SOC type 2 certified, as well as the having most of the compliant features are available within that add-on. If you are not happy with their reviews, or maybe with the campaign, maybe immediately can remove that add-on. But if you are happy with it, you can easily use this type of add-on in your projects. So that's all from the comparison point of view. I've came up here with Git Protect, Pro Backup, Revise and Rewind, all of the 4 add-on which is used for creating a backup within our Jira instance. That's all from this video. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you think so, we can also include some more feature or some more comparisons within the this type of add-on. Then you can add your comment within the comment section. So I will come up with the next part of the video. And other than that, if you think we can include more list here, more topics, so that we can compare, you think so we can include some more topic as a part of comparison. So that is also we are happy to receive your feedback from that point of view. Thank you.